Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to discuss if you always need to have new customers from your Facebook ads and if this is ideal and it can actually happen. I have created this video because I have found this job on Upwork that says we need someone to fix our Facebook campaign for our e-commerce store. We need an experienced Facebook campaign manager who knows how to run and set Facebook campaigns. We have an issue with our current campaign, which doesn't attract any new customers. Let's talk about that. So a lot of times I see people saying that I want Facebook to give me only new customers. This is the biggest myth, and let me tell you why. E-commerce is about having consistency. This is why we close all our videos by saying staying consistent. But at the end of the day, you need to understand that the people that they are coming, you don't know if they were going to convert or not if Facebook wasn't there, because Facebook might remind them. Now, if Facebook is stealing some of your sales from SMS, email marketing, and so on, first of all, don't forget that you built all of that because of Facebook. Facebook brought you all of this email list and SMS and stuff that you can send. A lot of times I meet people also that they want to exclude past customers and they see that the results are tanking. There are two things and two factors to that you're not calculating. First of all, it's okay for Facebook to steal some sales. As long as you know it, it's okay. Because these sales are going to help Facebook to find more sales. Why? Because Facebook normally would go to the low-hanging fruits initially, which is going to be maybe some of your older customers, and it's going to try to convert them. If these people are going to convert, even if they were going to convert from SMS or email, or they have converted from SMS and email and Facebook is stealing the sale, this is still data that Facebook is going to use. It's going to say, okay, this person converted, let's find similar people to that. If you don't have this data within your ads, how is it supposed to actually try and find more sales for you? I've met people that they were saying that I want Facebook to give me only new customers. This is so wrong, because if you are asking for that, you will never be able to grow with Facebook. Facebook is about repeated customers also, because these repeated customers are lifetime value, and they are coming with Facebook because they are helping Facebook with data. Facebook is a data game, and the more data you have, even if they are repeated customers, it's going to help you find more new customers. So thinking that, okay, I can have Facebook just only to introduce me new client is just an idea that shows me that you're not professional, you're not knowing how e-commerce is working, and you will never be able to have good results if you're thinking like this, and most probably you're going to give up on Facebook eventually. The biggest test that you can do, guys, is this. If you don't believe me, if you think that Konstantinos is just full of because he wants to steal results so that he can show good results and so on, I don't care about that, but let's not analyze it. Close your Facebook ads. See what kind of expand you are going to have without Facebook ads. If you're so crazy and fixated about new customers from Facebook ads, I would strongly support and I would strongly tell you that you should close your ads. Don't run any Facebook ads, and then try to have only the repeated customers from SMS and email that, by the way, you built through Facebook, most probably. And if you don't see that your sales are going to start declining like crazy after that, because email and SMS is going to support your sales for a period, but eventually these are going to start dying, because Facebook is not only fueling the repeated sales, but it's also maintaining them. Because it's bringing also new people inside. So if you think that you're getting 50K, for example, revenue every month from your email marketing, I'm putting Google ads also inside the equation. When you're going to stop Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, you're going to see that this is going to go to 40K, 30K, 20K, until it's going to decay completely. This is how companies are dying. So please, for the love of God, understand that Facebook is going to steal some sales. Be okay with it, because it's still data which is using in order to find new sales. And understand that there is no such scenario as having Facebook giving you only new customers. If you want to learn more, you can check my book about Facebook ads, my course, my website, and until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.